Stay this way. No, this way more. This way. Stay this way more.
Here.
How you feeling?
Very bad.
What color is that?
Blue?
What color is that? Today, you know, if your lesson is dangerous today, yeah, then I won't be taking you for your test.
No way.
Hey guys, welcome to Hania's mock driving test 3 days before our actual test. Right, Hania, are we ready for this mock test?
Yes, I'm ready.
Right, I'm going to tell you now, yeah, because obviously last lesson wasn't too bad. Yeah, it was quite good, but some of the previous lessons, obviously we've already had about 5-6 lessons.
Yeah.
You're a bit dangerous, yeah, especially anything roundabouts and everything, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so today, you know, if your lesson is dangerous today, yeah, then I won't be taking you for your test.
No way.
You agree? Because
Yeah,
you've
okay.
only got 3 days.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm not saying you have to be perfect, but nothing dangerous. I don't want to see anything dangerous.
No,
and
okay.
I've seen you from like last lesson. I think you work well under pressure. Some people under pressure they get worse. But you, when I put you under a bit of pressure, you did really good.
Okay.
Yeah. So today's pressure for you as well. So if
Yeah.
it's a bad lesson, if not a bad lesson, but dangerous driving, no test.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so like I said, I'm not saying you have to pass. If there's 2-3 serious mistakes, it's not a problem, but to make sure there's nothing dangerous.
Okay.
Yeah, you can't be a danger. Right then, so right, move off whenever you're ready. You're going to be following the sat-nav for the first time.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. I won't talk. You know any faults you make, I won't talk about them when they happen. We'll talk about them at the end.
Oh, okay.
Is that okay, or do you want me to tell you as they happen? What would you like?
Yeah, tell me when they happen because I can't remember things. It's better.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough. When it's safe to do so, park up on the left-hand side of the road, please. Well done. So there, you know when you signalled, yeah, there was a road, but you realised there was nobody close behind, so not a problem.
Yeah.
If there's somebody close behind, examiner may mark that as a minor fault, yeah? Okay. Move off when you're ready. Do you think that van had to slow down for you?
Sorry?
You know the van behind you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you check his speed? Was he coming fast, slow?
Speed.
Yeah, of the van.
Yeah.
Was he coming fast? Was he coming slow?
Fast.
So did he have to slow down? When you moved off, what did he have to do?
He has to slow down.
So what is that?
Serious fault?
Yeah, that's your first serious fault there. This is what you need to do. You look far, yeah, but you took a bit of time doing your observations and you had to slow down. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, this is one thing that I do want you to make sure of.
Ahead, keep right.
So you know these, you're not supposed to be driving on these.
I can't drive in there.
You know, not on the markings. So you can only go left from here. But which way did the sat-nav say?
Ahead.
He said keep right. So we turned the wrong way.
Yeah, but I can't move to...
Yeah, good. Turn right, fourth exit here, please. Fourth exit, yeah.
Go round the roundabout, fourth exit, then keep left.
What number is this?
4.
This is 3. That's it's not a fault because this was right as well, yeah? But we
Yeah.
want to take number 4. Turn right now, please. We need to turn the car around from somewhere. Right, now let's follow the sat-nav, yeah?
Yeah.
Please.
Sharp left, then take the third right.
Turn left. Turn left. We don't need to look here. Where should you be
Because,
looking? Look over there. Yeah. Okay. This is what you used to do. You know, when you first started our lessons the other week, yeah? Every time you have to look for cars at roundabouts, junction, you start looking in this mirror.
Obviously, the Satnav was causing Hania too many issues, so it was best that I helped her out until she got used to it.
So, how far is our next turn?
Sorry?
How far is the next turn? How far is the next turn? How many yards is the next turn?
120 yards.
That's it, good. Yeah. 120 yards is from here
80 yards, sharp right.
To the lights.
Then ahead, keep left.
See, this is how you can tell when your turn is, okay?
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Sharp right, then ahead, keep left.
So look, when's our next turn? That's half a mile. Half a mile. Slow down. So don't go to the left now. Yeah, last time you were driving on these, you're not allowed to drive on these markings, yeah? So look, it's not now, as it's still 700 yards. That's far away.
Yeah.
Yeah? No, that lane, this is for left.
Ahead, keep left.
Okay.
So keep going, yeah. When's that turn? How far's that turn?
100 yards.
Yeah, 600, 500, yeah? So it's further down here. You understand?
yeah.
100 yards is close.
Because I never use the
Yeah.
Satnav.
100 yards, sharp left.
How far?
200.
That's it, good. When we're 100, we know we're quite close then, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay?
Like next one.
So look, there's another blue line, can you see?
Yeah.
So-
This one.
Yeah, so it's
turning-
not this one, as is the...
Turning left.
So as is, you know the light blue one?
Yeah.
As is that one. The dark blue one is just...
The small
roads.
one.
No. So there's two colors, can you see? There's this blue
Yeah.
and there's this blue.
Blue and white.
No, no.
In the corner.
No, what color is this? What color is that?
Blue?
What color is that?
After
It's not
200
the same.
yards.
Is this the same
Purple.
color?
Purple.
Okay, call that purple then, yeah.
Okay.
So ours is this color. This is where we're going, not here. Not the blue one. Yeah, this one.
Yeah. It's that the middle one.
No, not this one. This is the middle one. No, ours is this, look. You know this purple one, you said purple.
Yeah.
Ours is purple one.
Sharp left.
Okay.
So, that's it here. You understand? So look at this color. You said this was blue, yeah? You know this one? That one's not our, this is our road.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
But that's not, it's not purple though, yeah?
No, the small one. I'm talking the small one.
Okay, no, just this
This
two
is
colors.
dark. It's blue
Yeah.
dark, like blue dark.
And this is light
one,
blue.
It's light blue.
That's it, good.
Yeah.
So the light blue one is ours, okay?
Nursing class.
Purple.
Learning.
I'm not supposed to be teaching you colors here, I'm supposed to be teaching you driving.
I know.
Okay.
At the end of the road, turn right.
How far? It's too early. Cancel your signal. Look, wait for about 100 yards. That's it. Now do it. Now do it. That's it. Okay, you don't want to signal too
Turn
early.
right.
Yeah.
No, come this way. Stay this way. Stay this way. No, this way. This way more. This way. Stay this way more.
Here.
That's it. Is anyone coming? Now go. Signal right. Go, go, go. Go. Signal right. That's it. This is a bend.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
You have to wait for people coming from around that bend.
Okay. Yeah.
At the end of the road, turn right. Turn right.
Don't rush. Yeah, take your time. See, look, if you look at the top, it tells you, look, there's a roundabout. Can you see the roundabout sign?
Yeah.
Yeah, in 200
After
yards.
200 yards, cross the roundabout, third exit.
So what number exit did you say?
Third exit.
Yeah. Which way is it?
Sorry?
No?
Third exit.
Yeah, which way is it? Which way is number 3? Can't see a signal.
Cross the roundabout, third exit.
Go, 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 go. You can't stop and think, this is third exit. Signal. See, as soon as you heard third exit, can't see a signal. What did you think?
After
Turn.
200
You went
yards,
Third
cross
right.
the
It's not
Yeah.
always. What did we
third
learn yesterday?
exit, then turn right.
So, and you see, you know, remember yesterday? We all did that lesson yesterday.
Yeah.
Where you learned third exit isn't always look at which way is it.
It can be right or straight ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so have a look at the sign. Okay, 1, 2, 3. That's why I taught you signs first. Yeah. But again, if you go the wrong way, it's not a fault, not a problem. If you go the wrong way.
Yeah.
But I just wanted to obviously make sure we do stay on track now because we've already
Yeah.
come off the route a couple of times.
Ahead, keep right.
Okay, so look, now, cancel your signal. Yeah. So you said ahead, keep right. When's that tape? 800. Is that
Right,
near
yeah.
or is that far?
Far.
Yeah, so you shouldn't have changed lanes. Now we're driving in the wrong lane. See,
After
now is the
400
time we should have come here.
yards, turn right.
Yeah?
Then
You should have come into
cross
this
the
lane now.
roundabout.
Yeah.
can you see where our turn's coming up?
290.
That's it.
Turn right.
That's it.
Then cross the roundabout. After 200 yards, cross the roundabout, second exit. Cross the roundabout, second exit.
Which way is second exit?
Straight ahead.
Yep. But see, you didn't wake that up beforehand. As soon as you hear the instructions, look at the signs.
Yeah.
What were we doing yesterday? Signs.
Signs
Today,
and-
you're not even looking at one sign.
Yeah.
Just focus there and the sat-nav.
Yeah.
Yeah? Which way did he say?
First exit.
Second exit.
Second.
Yeah. Which way is that?
Straight ahead.
Yeah. This lane is for left only.
Can I?
Your decision. I want to see what you do. And you go, cancel your signal, go. You can't hold up the traffic like that. Turn left. Just turn left now. You're in the wrong lane, so what are you going to do?
Stay in the wrong lane.
Yeah. You know what you learned yesterday? Yeah? Look at the signs as well. Today, because the sat-nav's on, you're not looking at even one sign. Yeah, you're just listening to that, thinking second, third. Yeah?
Yeah.
We spend a lot of, well, not a lot of time, we all did one or two lessons on it, yeah. But you
Yeah.
worked hard, you got that out of your head, and we learned, always look for direction first. Is it straight, left, or right? Yeah?
Yeah.
Then choose your lane. But today, obviously because of the sat-nav, you didn't do that. How you feeling?
Very bad.
Yesterday you was feeling really good. You think,
Yeah.
oh, I am good today. Yeah. Okay, switch off the engine for me. Press the button. Right, how you feeling?
Very bad, very upset.
Yeah, upset.
Yeah.
Okay. Look, the driving, you know, with the another distraction. This is a new thing for you, the sat-nav. Yeah. Okay. But like, I'm gonna tell you off about something now. Yeah. So you know, for the app, yeah, you've had I gave you access nearly a week ago now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you been through all the videos?
Nearly finished it, like
No,
86.
no. Have you been through all the videos?
Not all, but it's 86%. Just like
but there's
few videos.
But listen, the videos are only about 4 or 5 minutes long. A week, yeah, is plenty of time. Yeah. The reason why I'm saying that to you, because your test is on Monday. Yeah. And you know, on there's a sat-nav section. Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you watched that?
No, I didn't
Exactly.
see the Satnav.
If you had watched that,
video.
I'm not saying your driving would have been perfect, but you would have had the knowledge of the distance.
Yeah.
Yeah, you would have known, because it's exactly the same sat-nav. What I talk about, what your problem is, I've showed you in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is what I mean by, you know, learners, when people have other exams, they're like, oh, I've got to revise, focus, everything. When it's a practical driving test, I'm only going to do what I do in the car. It's what you do away from here as well if you want to pass first time.
Yeah.
Okay, you have to put that. Like, I know you've been working hard as well. Obviously yesterday's lesson was really good. Yeah, we've changed your habits of 25 years just in a matter of days. But this is the last couple of days now. Yeah, please, the app should be completed.
Yeah.
Done. You should be going through it twice. Especially the roundabout section. Yeah, the exits, the confusing exits. Yeah. Okay, and that will help you just get the correct knowledge. If you come in the car with the correct knowledge, you're not going to drive perfectly, but it's going to be easier for you. You're going to have the understanding. Like today, as soon as the sat-nav came on, the first couple of turns that confused you, that's it. All your attention was thinking.
To be
Exactly.
honest, it's confusing me. I'm just thinking about Satnav because it scares me all the time. I don't know.
It won't be scary if you understand how it works. You know the yards. So the first time ever today, you have learnt about distances for
Yeah.
yards.
Yeah.
You did not. It's not just you. Learner drivers here don't they don't have the knowledge about the yards and all that.
Yeah.
Okay. So please go through that. Yeah. Okay. So shall I take you for the test or no? Don't worry, we're still going to go for the test. Look, I know you're not a dangerous driver. Yeah, yesterday you're right about everything was brilliant. And today it's like you've never done them before.
Yeah.
Back to normal.
It's like I never drive.
Yeah. You can't be coming like that. Okay? Yeah, so right. We got one more mock test and then it's your real test. That's all we got now.
Okay.
Go home, revise, okay? And let's give you the best chance of passing the test.
Yeah, thank you.
Right, guys? You think I should take Hania for a test? Yes or no? Yeah. Right, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.